Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope that everyone is fine. I welcome you all to my lecture number 58. We have been discussing the topic of CV writing since the last two lectures. In my previous lectures, I told you about curriculum vitae, its definition, its origin, its etymology, and its origin, and then I defined it. Its 2 to 3 definitions, and then I told you about some basics and some important characteristics of a curriculum vitae. In this video, I'll let you know that what kind of good things that your CV must possess or must contain. So CVs are an opportunity to show an employer why you are an ideal candidate for the job. I have defined it earlier, so I do not need to explain it further. So what kind of things does the CV contain when you send it to your employer? A good CV stands out from the crowd. What does it mean by standing out of the crowd? For example, there are 30 people and they have made a crowd. Means there are a group of 30 people, they are standing there. All people are wearing black dresses, but a single person out of 30 is wearing a white dress or a white suit. That person will be distinguished among all the people. That person will be different from all the people. Now, this is the same thing that your CV requires. That your CV must stand out from the crowd. There will be bundle of CVs. There will be a great number of CVs which would be sent by the candidates to the employer, but your CV needs to be special, your CV needs to be distinguished, your CV needs to be different, your CV needs to be unique, and your CV needs to be matchless. Now, how your CV will be matchless, how it will be unique, how it will be special, and how it will stand out from the crowd, then there are certain techniques, then there are certain tricks that should be developed while maintaining, while developing, or while writing a curriculum vitae. So I'll let you know all those things when we will be discussing the topic of formation of CV. Next thing is draw attention to your relevant skills, experience, achievements, and potential. You need to remember one thing, that your curriculum vitae is a short description of your course of life. Whatever you have done since the day of your primary education till your current position, your current status. It should be a short and brief description of all the things that you have done, experienced, achieved, or you have observed. Okay, so the things that which are relevant to draw the attention are skills, experience, achievements, and potential. These things should be written very clearly and very briefly so that you may get the attention of your employer. They will not be free enough to uh, read your whole CV and read your complete CV. That may be based upon the 5 to 8 pages, and they would be bored while reading it. So it should be brief and short so that you may get the attention of your employer. The next thing is create such an impression on the employer that they will not be able to turn you down for interview. So you need to create an impression, you need to create a kind of impression and expression upon the employer so that your CV may not be turned down. Turned down means it may not be rejected. Now your CV will be accepted, your CV will be entertained, your CV will be reviewed, and your CV will get you shortlisted when it is prepared according to the needs of job. Okay, so how you need to develop your CV. It's another question that we will discuss and that we will do when we will be discussing the formation of the curriculum vitae. Till that, you need to understand that it should have an impression that they will not be able to turn you down for interview. Okay, now remember this thing, that everyone has potential. It's not only you who has potential, everybody has potential. Everyone one has more skills than they think they do, and everyone can write a good CV. What are those things that can distinguish you, that can make you different? All those things will be discussed and uh, explained inshallah in next couple of videos. Till that, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.